Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix photo preview not showing in Windows. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the File Explorer on your PC. You might notice that the thumbnails of your photos and videos are not being displayed, which can be quite inconvenient. To fix this, click on the three dots icon at the top of the File Explorer window. From the drop-down menu, select Options. A new dialog box will appear titled Folder Options. Inside this dialog box, navigate to the View tab. Under the View tab, you will see a list of advanced settings. Look for the option that says Always show icons, never thumbnails. If this option is checked, it means that thumbnails are disabled and only icons will be shown. Uncheck the box. After unchecking this box, click Apply and then OK at the bottom of the dialog box to save your changes. So that's basically how you can fix photo preview not showing in Windows. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.